Welcome to a Thursday morning, everybody. Today is the 7th of January. Look at this beautiful, colorful, vibrant image from Jenna Gee. She sent this in Muskegon. This was around the Pier Marquette area. And of course, the pier head there and the lighthouse as well. Beautiful shot. I've put this on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you follow me on any of those, you'll see that. If you want to like my Facebook page, Kevin Craig Fox 17, you can post there as a visitor. If Twitter or Instagram are your thing, my handle on those is @FoxWeatherman. As we look across the lower 48 states, you know, I'll be honest with you, it's fairly quiet, not only here in Michigan, but across a lot of the area, across the central and southern plains and the mid and lower Mississippi Valley, there is a storm system that's dropping down into those locations. There's rain, there's probably a few thunderstorms there. There's even some ice and some snow across northern Arkansas, southern portions of Missouri. And hey, they're about 500, 600, 800 miles further to the south than we are, and they're getting the winter weather right now. This system is going to move into the southeast United States and into the mid-Atlantic, provide more rain for those folks for the most part. For us, nothing. We just have some cloud cover around. This is typically a very cloudy time of the year, and that will hold true again today. Although we saw some sunshine in some areas yesterday, I think those clouds will be thin, and there may be some breaks in the cloud cover as we go through the day for some of us. So we'll, on average, call it mostly cloudy, but there may be some breaks of sunshine out there for some of us. I think we'll see more of that by the time we get into tomorrow and Saturday. We get that drier feed of air from the north and east. I've got nothing on radar out there right now. We pull back to a little bit wider perspective. There's high pressure well up to our north, and that's funneling that dry northeasterly air right across the Lake Huron, and that comes in and that tends to eat away or erode at some of the cloud deck. You can see the big hole there in the cloud cover. So we may see a little bit of that sunshine today, but I'm still thinking overall it may be mostly cloudy. As we look at our temperatures today, we're 29 degrees right now in Big Rapids, 30 in White Cloud, 32 in Fremont. We're 32 at the freezing mark there in Grand Rapids, much the same in Ionia. Those temperatures, by the way, are where our normal high temperatures should be for this time of the year later in the day. So we, again, are already starting off on a reasonably mild note as you work out the door today to either school, work, maybe to run some errands. You're going to be pleasantly surprised yet again that there's no blast of Arctic air. There's not much of a wind, so there's no significant wind chill out there. It's all good for this time of the season and this time in the month. Things look pretty good, dry, quiet, uneventful. We're 33 in Battle Creek, 34 on the south side of Kalamazoo, 31 in Coldwater and Mendon down there as well. Hello to you folks across our southern counties. Quiet conditions, north, south, east, west. Our forecast for today, mostly cloudy to maybe at times for some of us, partly sunny. It is going to be another dry and quiet day. Temperatures will not move much. We'll make about 34 degrees for the high. We'll have a northeast wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's what it looks like on the forecast model. This is at noon. This particular model is trying to clear us out. That may be a little bit overdone. I still think we're looking at a fair amount of cloud cover today. And as we go into the evening hours, we should begin to decrease the clouds maybe a little bit. And then by the time we get into tomorrow and our Friday, we're looking at more sunshine in here with an extension of that high pressure working on into the area and winds coming in either out of the north or northeast with that much drier airflow. That high pressure will dominate not only for Friday, but also into Saturday. High pressure tends to create sinking air and subsidence. It dries the atmosphere out. Remember that clouds are just microscopic water droplets. And when you can feed dry air into that situation, you tend to evaporate those out and the clouds just poof, go away. So point being, by the time we get into Friday and Saturday, I think we're looking at more sunshine. Temperatures aren't going to move too much though. We're about 34 degrees for today, with mainly cloudy skies. We'll see some sunshine tomorrow, 33 degrees there. Sunshine on Saturday with temperatures around 34 degrees. And then it looks like the clouds may roll back in again for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Again, typically we are cloudy this time of the year, but look at the temperatures in the low 30s, maybe into the middle 30s, upper 30s by the time we get into Wednesday. But all of that time frame, in fact, all the way between now and probably next week, Thursday, doesn't look like any chance of snow, no chance of rain, no ice, no Arctic air. It's all good for January. We'll talk more forecast details coming up in the 7 o'clock hour. Mike, Melissa?